my life like a tornado, coming on hotter than a baked potato. She spin me around and see you later. Wanna hate her, but I love her instead. We caught the red-eye to Dubai. She was blowing through my door like it's going out of style. In general, I was a sensible guy, but that guy died when she come tearing through my life like a tornado, coming on hotter than a baked potato. She spin me around and see you later. Wanna hate her, but I love her instead. Go. Well, I lost my job and all of my money, most of my friends and half of my mind. So messed up, it's a little funny. And I thought for sure that she was mine, but now I'm alone, just trying to get right, picking up the pieces of my busted life. If she walked into this room tonight, I'd say, baby, won't you come tearing through my life like a tornado, coming on hotter than a baked potato. She spin me around and see you later. Wanna hate her, but I love her instead. I wanna hate her, but I love her instead. Met a woman, got engaged, time passed, wedding day. Then my feet turned cold at the tone of those wedding bells. I felt bad, everybody got dressed up, but I knew I'd messed up, so I had to fess up that all I really wanted was just to get drunk as hell. So I jilted that poor woman and I got drunk as hell. I'm talking about hellfire, hellfire, yeah, hellfire, hellfire. Oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound. I'm talking about hellfire, hellfire, yeah, hellfire, hellfire. Oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound. Real sinful, needing grace. Sunday morning, knew the place, so I stumbled into church and sat down for a spell. A few minutes in, I felt free of sin, so I polished off my bottle of bathtub gin and got stinking, dirty, awful, drunk as hell. Yeah, right there in the back pew, I got drunk as hell. I'm talking about hellfire.
There's no spots that you have to pick up the board. There's a few bonks that I kind of have to get over a little bit. Yeah, it's a real nice little clean.
Yeah, it's like
loop.
0.6 miles.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sorry.
Points you more down the hill.
Yeah. Well, my drinking buddy passed away. I couldn't hang, so I filled my glass and went to say farewell. Drunk as hell. Coming for you, buddy. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's knee. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. The meanest hunk of me that anyone's ever seen. Get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. And tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. Gonna act a fool and keep on till the dawn. Drink 15 pints of beer, then I'll go right out of here. And tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. 'Cause I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. The meanest hunk of me that anyone's ever seen. Get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. The meanest hunk of me that anyone's ever seen. Get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I did my chores and made my bed 'cause I'm supposed to. Cleaned my room, obeyed my dad 'cause I'm supposed to. I raised my hand and waited my turn 'cause I'm supposed to. Everything they taught I learned 'cause I'm supposed to. I finished school at the age of 18 'cause I'm supposed to. I kept on, got a college degree 'cause I'm supposed to. Got a job working 9 to 5 'cause I'm supposed to. Bought a ring, got me a wife 'cause I'm supposed to. Now what the hell's all of this supposed to ever done for me? Well, I didn't sleep a wink last night. Work's drying up and money's tight, though I followed this old script line by line. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything that I was supposed to. I don't stay out late and I hardly drink 'cause I'm supposed to. No more cool filter kings 'cause I'm supposed to. I put my money in the IRA 'cause I'm supposed to. I pledge allegiance to the USA 'cause I'm supposed to. I keep up with the local team 'cause I'm supposed to. I fed my childhood dreams 'cause I'm supposed to. I never read before saying grace 'cause I'm supposed to. Go to church every 7 days 'cause I'm supposed to. Now what the hell's all of this supposed to ever done for me? Well, I didn't sleep a wink last night. Work's drying up and money's tight, though I followed this old script line by line. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything that I supposed to. Well, I button up and say clean cut, try to eat good and watch my gut, clean behind my ears and between my toes, and always keep up with the goddamn Jones. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything I was supposed to.